Struggling to write your marketing plan? Spending hours staring at a blank page? What if I told you there's a way to turn a simple description of your business into a complete marketing strategy in minutes? This template is based on the best-selling book, The One-Page Marketing Plan by Allan Dib, a proven framework used by thousands of businesses worldwide. It breaks your marketing strategy into just 9 key boxes, organized into 3 simple phases: before, during, and after. This is the AI-powered one-page marketing plan template built inside Notion. Let me show you how it works. But here's the best part. You don't have to write any of this from scratch. The AI does it for you. Step 1. You start by filling out the business info section. You simply answer 4 quick questions. What do you sell? Who's your target market? What's your unique selling proposition? This is optional but helpful. And what's your main goal? Are you launching, growing, scaling, or improving your online presence? Step 2. Click the Generate button. I've already prompted Notion AI for you. And boom! The AI fills out your entire 9-box marketing plan. It covers your target audience, your messaging, your lead capture and nurturing strategies, your sales process, how you deliver a world-class experience, and how you increase customer lifetime value and referrals. No more second guessing. No more staring at a blank screen. This template gives you instant clarity on how to attract customers, convert leads, and grow your business. It's fast, simple, and practical, designed for coaches, freelancers, service providers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs who want to take action, not waste time. Ready to stop guessing and start growing? Grab the AI-powered one-page marketing plan template now. The link's in the description. Just input your business. Let the AI do the work. Take action with a clear marketing strategy in minutes. Thanks for watching, happy growing, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this.